Good morning. This was a great spot inside. I slept in that corner over there, so it worked out really well. The weather is really turned pretty bad. Super windy. It's been windy all night. Now the rain has started just in time for me to leave. So I'm just gonna get myself squared away and get on the bike, and off we go into the windy, rainy yonder. Okay, the media mod is off, so who knows if you can hear me. Probably not once I'm driving, but off we go. As you can see, unpleasant. These are steep, tight corners in the wet. It's sketchy. It would be so much more fun dry, obviously. It's nerve-wracking. Okay, heading off to the mainland from Mull. The weather is just too horrendous to get anything done here, so. I've got an 80-kilometer drive down the coast to the Isle Frigate Hotel, I think it's called. And maybe there's a few things on the way that I might stop and see. But this weather just is not conducive to doing very much. It's a ruined 16th century tower house, noted for its unusual plan and Renaissance detailing. Hello? The castle was built by reforming churchman John Carswell. On his death in 1572, the castle was sold to the Earl of Argyll. The castle was eventually sold to Duncan Campbell, who was one of the few supporters of the Argyll uprising against King James VII. The atoll raids that followed the uprising pretty much destroyed the castle, and Duncan Campbell was left financially ruined. Without cash, the castle fell into disrepair and is now the ruin that you see today. I would see any dryness today, much less blue sky, so that's nice. $35K to the hotel. I think I see my hotel. Staying on the strip. Supposed to have a king room with a sea view. No, that's not it. Down the road. Gonna have to do a factory reset as well on my stupid GoPro. See if I can get it to cooperate, but let's park and check in. Okay, this is definitely one of my better accommodations for £48, the King Suite, and I've got a sea view. And the sun was a false flag because it's pouring out right now. Well, I'm just going to get settled in, grab something to eat, and then maybe walk along the strip here, even in the rain. I'm now stuck in the pouring rain in the shadow of the ruined castle of Tarbert. The castle was an important stronghold from the Middle Ages, protecting the harbor. The castle was involved in many skirmishes, but in 1687, Walter Campbell of Skipness Castle seized it, and it was his. And because it's pouring so much, that's as much history as you're gonna get today. But in 1687, Walter Campbell